Founded in 2019, Hengshi Langfeng Precision Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited has rapidly grown into a specialized enterprise integrating research and development and sales in the field of honeycomb technology, backed by more than a decade of cumulative technical expertise. The company operates a modern production facility covering 5,000 square meters. We are equipped with a comprehensive precision manufacturing system, including high-precision honeycomb punching systems, automated brazing and assembly lines, CNC machining centers, and vacuum brazing equipment. With fully independent capabilities across the entire manufacturing process, for raw material selection and precision processing of core components of final assembly, we have established a complete industrial chain layout and systematic production management framework. Our core technical team has over 10 years of experience in honeycomb technology R&D. The team has independently developed automated honeycomb brazing and assembly equipment that has been continually optimized. This innovation significantly enhances production efficiency, achieving daily output of more than 10 square meters per machine, while enabling high-precision control of honeycomb dimensions and angular accuracy. The technology has been successfully adopted in the manufacturing of a wide range of high-precision honeycomb components. Our company currently has 65 employees, including 5 senior technical engineers and 5 key management personnel, forming a well-structured and highly capable professional team. We fully support customized customer requirements and have established a robust quality management system and standardized production processes. From early-stage technical consultation and solution design to production planning and quality control, every step is implemented with meticulous management.